Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Kyle Keel. Today is going to be a very nice day. If you have any outdoor plans, maybe you need to wash the car before all this wintry weather moves in, today's the day to do it. Mostly sunny and warm. Temperatures will get into the 50s. Tomorrow, threat tracker back in the yellow as we are tracking quite a bit of wind, and then rain and snow will develop and move to the north. And any rain will transition over to snow here tomorrow night into Saturday. Here's a check of your Storm Track 7 forecast today. It will be mostly sunny and warm. Temperatures will be well into the 50s. In fact, these will be within a couple degrees of record highs for the date. Well, the southwest wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight it does become cloudy, and with those clouds moving in, despite a cold front moving through, our temperatures will actually be a little milder than this morning. We're talking some upper 20s to near 30 degrees. And then as we start your day on Friday, it's actually not going to be too bad as you're heading out for your morning drive on Friday. We'll just have plenty of clouds. But watch as we head toward lunchtime. We're going to start to see that rain move in from the south, and by about 3 p.m. it will be near the Highway 20 corridor. Now, the temperatures are going to be key. We're forecasting temperatures right now to get into the upper 30s. However, as that precip starts falling, it could help cool that air pretty quickly and transition that rain over to a little light snow here around 3 o'clock. If this transition happens sooner, we'll look at some heavier snowfall. But if it happens a little bit later, maybe if temperatures get a little warmer, that transition might happen a little bit later. But right now, about 7 o'clock, that transition line will be near Interstate 80. Could have some moderate snow around Dubuque and Cedar Rapids. And that's going to continue here through the overnight hours on Friday into Saturday morning. I want you to notice here on the north side of this system, it's going to be a sharp cutoff of those snowfall totals here in northern Iowa. So areas like New Hampton, Decorah, maybe even toward Lansing, that's where we might have those snowfall totals maybe around a dusting to a half inch, where you go maybe 20, 30 miles south, may get a couple inches of snow. So it's really too early to really pin down this exact track. But you get the idea that we will be seeing some accumulating snow across many portions of eastern Iowa, and that trend is going to continue here Saturday morning before everything wraps up Saturday afternoon and evening. This will be a very wet snow, as we'll have a lot of moisture to deal with, so it'll be not necessarily the easiest to shovel away, and it's going to be really good packing snow weather, so maybe good for making snowmen or snowballs. But we are going to look at some travel issues here Friday night into Saturday. So here's a look at the snow accumulation potential. It's moderate amounts here, a good chunk of eastern Iowa, I would say from Dubuque back toward Manchester, Independence, down toward Cedar Rapids, Tama, perhaps including Iowa City. That's where we could see some moderate amounts of snow, light to moderate amounts possible in Waterloo. Again, if this tracks a little farther to the south, we would have to shift this band farther south. If it tracks farther north, again, we would have to shift it farther north, but I would say at least 3 inches in some of these areas. Again, later today we should have a more specific snowfall map for you and kind of break things down a little better as we get some better data into the Weather Center. Currently, this storm is a little more than 1,200 miles away as of about 7 o'clock Thursday morning. Here's a check of the city-by-city forecast. We'll have temperatures in the upper 30s tomorrow, lower 30s as we head into Saturday. That snow will wrap up here by Saturday afternoon. It is going to be windy the next couple of days. We'll have north and northeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting higher than that. Then our temperatures will be more seasonable, more typical of what you would expect here for December standards throughout the 10-day forecast, with highs in the 30s and lows near 20.